Hello everyone, we are here and we're streaming and recording at the same time, as this is a massive matchup here, as this is actually going to be the same board as Mr. Taylor versus Addison. Make sure to check out that match. That match is probably going to come out a few hours from now, or maybe tomorrow. So this is literally going to be insane. So we have Matt here.
Hey guys.
And we have Meara here.
Hi. Wow.
Matt has won in 3 very close matches.
Yep.
Meara has won in 2 nail biters, and then a dominant win over Jess, and then Matt won a 13-point match against Addison, 67-point match against Leah, and then he won in a very controversial ending against Mr. Taylor.
Yeah, it was very controversial.
So here's some spoilers. He is now out of the tournament because Addison just knocked him out 10 minutes before we were filming this.
Spoils.
And I literally said to Matt, it's going to be 30 minutes before. It's not going to go over. We're not going to be starting late. And
but
here we are 20 minutes late. So we're streaming. Hopefully Matt is advertising on Discord right now.
I did. I pinged Chatterbox.
And also ping on
They're gonna start yelling at me.
Like the Discord. Like, do you want BL channel Discord?
Yeah, I know.
Just do add everyone. It's my server. I don't really.
That's true. Okay.
Alright, so we are going to start. This is going to be a crazy one. So the stream has been going for about a bit longer than the recording, but the stream is going to stay public on the second channel if you always want to watch that. So, and let's actually start. Let's start.
Ooh.
All right, Meara, you're going to pick first.
Wait. Can I have the letter E?
Meara has E. Matt has I.
Yeah, I was about to say who's saying what. Yeah. All right. Pick Meara. Logos 200. E.
Meara?
Toblerone.
Do you know this for a previous match?
Yeah,
the
you've been using the same one. That is one, and I've seen those on the packages.
True.
Yeah, those are previous ones. Wait, shouldn't I get the 100-point lead for yesterday?
Oh yeah, Matt gets a 200 automatic points from yesterday.
Why do I get? Okay, whatever.
Alright, so
go. Random 400.
Okay. Three, 2, 1. Anyone have a guess?
No.
Alright. 94.
I knew something in our 90s.
Right.
Yeah. I didn't want to guess, or else I'd probably get it wrong. Entertainment 300.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Is this a different one?
This is lemonade. This is a different one.
Okay, good.
This is lemonade mouth. Meara is picking. Continue to pick.
Science 100. Hi.
Matt?
It's the elephant.
The elephant. Right.
Oh god, for me it's really laggy when you're presenting.
Yeah,
it's like taking forever to load.
It's laggy on a lot of terms. It's laggy. The stream health is laggy. The computer's laggy. It's fun because it's hard to stream and record at the same time.
Okay, entertainment 100. Hi.
Yeah.
Well, there's probably many other things. There's probably many things for this, but Renegade. But I'm probably going to get it wrong.
He's a TikToker. That's why he knows the answer.
Renegade. Renegade. Yeah.
I wasn't sure what you meant by TikTok trend. I was like,
Yeah, I was like, it could be many things because Charlie D'Amelio does a lot of TikToks. Okay, logo's 100.
Sorry, I'm responding to people and on the stream.
Hi.
And Meara gets Meara.
Domino's. Yeah, this one's pretty
Domino's. Meara is a now.
Self-explanatory. Yeah.
Famous people, 500.
Ooh. Huh?
3, 2, 1.
I thought we were going back to pictures.
Abdul-Jabbar.
Yeah.
Well, science, 300.
Hi.
Matt?
The equator or the prime meridian. Either way.
Yep.
Okay, entertainment, 200.
E.
Yeah.
I know one too.
Ant-Man?
Who is Ant-Man?
Yeah.
Yes.
I wasn't sure.
It was either Ant-Man or the Wasp.
Yeah. Random, 300.
Three, 2, 1.
It is random, so.
Famous people, 100. E.
Yeah.
Kamala Harris.
Yep.
Geography, 300.
Hi.
Yeah.
It's Istanbul, Constantinople. It was. Yeah. All right. Geography, 100.
Yeah.
Asia.
I'm too late to respond because it's so laggy, and I'm just thinking. Oh wait.
Is there a lot of lag for you, Meara?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Going big, famous people, 700.
Famous people 700. This is a big one. Who said this quote?
What?
3.
E.
Meara?
I've never heard this, but I'm taking an extreme guess of Gordon Ramsay.
The answer is Gordon Ramsay.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm dead. Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
I've never heard him say that, but that's just such a thing. Gordon
Yeah,
Ramsay
that is something he would say, but I didn't want to know. I didn't want to guess.
I probably shouldn't have done that, but I did it. So
yeah, because if you gotten it wrong, that would have been a big hit.
Logos, 400.
Hi.
Matt?
Pringles.
And we are tied now.
Oh my gosh. Random, 100. Hi.
Matt?
Neil Armstrong. I think.
Alright, it is correct. And so,
Your conspiracy theory real quick.
we're going to take a quick break because I do want to edit something on stream.
Okay. Well, here's a conspiracy theory for y'all. So you know how if you're taking his name and the first letter of his last name, it's Neil.
Yeah, I heard you said it in the
It's literal alien.
And spell it backwards.
Yeah, it's spooky. It's spooky. Like you obviously only take the A, but
It just seems so specific.
all I'm saying is it's kind of spooky.
It is?
Okay.
It is spooky.
How many viewers do we have right now? Oh, 2.
We have two concurrent viewers right now.
I advertised it on your on two channels.
Discord.
Where are you streaming?
On YouTube.
On YouTube, he's streaming
Well,
on
yeah, but like not on your main channel.
I'm streaming on the second channel.
Oh.
I'm recording on the main channel though.
Anyway.
Yep.
All right.
Okay, can I continue?
Yep.
All right, geography 200.
Matt?
This one, I remember this one from Mr. Taylor and me. I want to say 54, but I remember what he taught us.
Yeah, it's 54.
It's 54.
Yeah. Because I had that same question on the one versus me and Mr. Taylor.
Yeah.
Random 200. I know where it is.
3, 2, 1.
Wait,
Dubai.
it's in Dubai. Isn't it like one of the skyscrapers in Dubai, right?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay. Science 200.
Meara?
Saturn?
Yeah.
It is Saturn. You're seeming unsure about a lot of these answers.
Yeah, I was counting.
Even if I know this, I'm still gonna be unsure.
Mm-hmm.
I was counting when she said E. I was counting my planets.
I mean, I think Mira's starting to starting to guess because she doesn't want to fall too far.
This is gonna be close. This is gonna be a close match. I can already tell.
It's gonna be another shootout, definitely.
Yeah.
Famous people 300.
Matt?
It's the Amazon person. If I don't know his name, am I gonna get it wrong? It's the Amazon person.
Skip.
Well, wait,
Meara, do you know
wait,
it?
wait. I'm gonna guess Bill Gates because the Amazon person. I don't know his name, so I'm gonna guess Bill Gates.
All right.
Wait, the Amazon person's name is Mark Zuckerberg.
Oh,
That's the owner. That's the CEO of Facebook. The answer is Jeff Bezos. So Matt gets it wrong.
no.
Meara has the lead and gets the pick now.
Well,
Wow, I'm foolish.
that's alright then.
Entertainment 400.
Hmm. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God.
Logo 600.
3, 2, 1. It's Airbnb.
I usually know all of the logos and the riddles, but then there's that one.
Yeah.
Logos 300.
Yeah.
It's Target. Yeah. This one's not very hard.
It is Target.
We're back to the same points that we just were at.
Yep.
Geography 400.
Matt?
It's the Nile.
It's the Nile. Matt extends his lead to 5.
Okay. Science 400.
Matt?
Pi day.
I
I'm taking a risk. Famous people 200.
It's a risk. Meara?
Usain Bolt.
It is Usain Bolt.
Yeah, I figured they would say Usain Bolt.
Meara, let's pick now.
Logo 700.
It's the big one.
What's sad is that this one was in me and Mr. Taylor's match, but I forgot what it's called.
It looks familiar. I don't know.
So Mr. Taylor got this correct.
Yeah, Mr. Taylor did get this one correct.
He didn't get this correct in your match. He got this correct in his previous match right before.
Oh, he did?
It's Uber.
Wait, really?
Yeah, I remember that question now. Like, I remember the answer. That makes sense.
Random 700.
This was a key question that actually helped Addison win. She was down by 14 points. She wagered the house and she went up by 4.
Oh, yeah, I know this one. I.
Matt?
An apple a day will keep the doctor away.
Yes,
Ooh,
and this is the
that's
exact
Yeah.
this is the
I
exact
like
same
that.
score that
Yeah, that one's fun. That one's fun.
Addison had this lead. Actually, Mr. Taylor led Addison 32-18 for what seemed
Yeah,
like forever.
props to whoever made up that one. That was well, it's not made up, but
That
props to whoever made that question.
Matt,
Yeah,
this pick.
random 600. Yeah. I
Matt?
know one of them.
North Korea and Cuba.
I knew it was North
That
Korea.
is
I didn't know
correct.
the other one.
I remember that from my match. Still, random 500. Yes, that's the only one left.
Three, 2, 1 in the dictionary.
So some of these are riddles.
Yeah. Okay, logos 500. Meara, yep.
This
good
is
luck.
the daily double. How much would you like to
No.
wager? How much would you like to wager, Matt?
What do you mean? To wager 500? I'm not wagering it.
How much would you like to wager for the daily double? You can wager anything from 0 to 38.
How much are you wagering, Meara?
Meara can't
No.
wager anything. She can't answer.
I can't guess. You just wager how much you think. Like if you think you know the logo, you can wager all of it.
I don't think I know the logo.
So then you don't have to wager anything.
Okay, then click it, Brody.
You can still guess if you're wagering nothing.
I.
Matt?
Wikipedia.
The answer is Wikipedia.
Yeah, I knew it wasn't the Daily Double. Meara, do you want to leave country flags alone?
You can do it.
Okay.
I know some.
Country flags 100. I.
Matt?
Portugal.
How
Yeah.
do you even see that?
It just loaded in the top half, and
He
I
says it before I even see it.
It loaded in the top half, and I was just like, I
didn't see
Matt?
anything.
It was like half loaded in, and I was like, okay, this is Portugal. Okay. Country flags 200. I.
Matt?
Denmark. Screwed. Well, you still have a chance after I run up the points here. Country flags 300. I.
Matt?
This one is Cuba.
Cuba.
Yes, and I'm going to stop there, and I'm going to switch to. Okay, famous people 400.
This isn't like all of them.
Yeah.
Meara?
Muhammad Ali.
Yep, that's who said that one.
Yep. Meara gets to pick now.
Entertainment 500.
Three, 2, 1.
We don't even know these. These are.
I know Disney Channel, a lot of it, but I don't watch their movies.
Well, it's going to get harder as the points are higher.
Entertainment 600.
You know this one? Because I don't. So.
I know the dragon.
3,
I know the dragon.
1.
Nope. No idea.
Con.
Meara's picking down.
And entertainment 700.
I.
Matt?
Well, it's not he, it's she. It's the ancient one.
No.
Oh, it's the Agamotto. I have Agamotto. Oh, that makes sense.
That's
But the ancient one did have it. The ancient one actually did have it. If you look in the.
Don't spoil anything.
yeah.
Whatever. Okay. Whatever.
Alright, Meara gets to pick.
I'll take it.
Famous people 600.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ellen. Ellen
I do have a
DeGeneres.
question though. How close do the points have to be for Jeopardy, for Final Jeopardy?
It can be if both sides have positive points.
Oh, so we're basically guaranteed going there unless one of us just blows out and gets them all wrong.
Which probably would be me.
Meara still gets to
That's
pick.
not gonna happen. I know that.
But, like, the last ones we have left are the ones that are stacked against me.
Yeah, you've been leaving these, and I've noticed. You've just been leaving these 3 categories.
Science, 600.
Hi.
Yeah.
I'm brain farting. Yep. I have no idea. I remembered it. I said and then I forgot.
Skip, do you know Meara?
I know it was a sheep. I know it was a sheep.
Oh, wait, it's a name? It's the name?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, no, then I thought it was...
Yeah, I know it's a sheep, but
Never mind.
Yeah.
I thought it was a species. Geography, 700.
It's the Vatican City.
Yeah, I know this one too.
I'm back to the points that we were like a couple turns ago. Okay, geography 500.
Meara?
The Antarctic desert.
Yeah, Mr. Taylor already taught us this one.
Yep.
Science 500.
Three, 2, 1. July.
Okay.
Meara gets to pick again.
Geography 600.
How many time zones are in Canada? 3.
I remember, but I'm not gonna say it.
6.
Yeah, because this one was on me and Mr. Taylor's too.
Science 700.
Three, 2, 1. Carbon.
Okay, Meara, you ready? I'm just gonna keep. Okay.
Country flags, 700.
It's the Daily Double.
Oh no.
You gonna wager?
The question is, do I wager all of it?
I think I know which one this is, so I'm just gonna let you wager.
If you get 0, then that's a chance to stop Matt from getting one of these correct.
The question is, do I hope wait, I can wager all my points, can't I?
Yeah, you can.
I can.
But that would if you get that wrong, that would virtually eliminate you.
Yeah.
I know which flag this is from me and Mr. Taylor's match. I'm not gonna say, because then that'll screw me over.
If you wager nothing, however, then that just avoids Matt from getting it correct.
I am going... I have to wager something, because if I don't, then Matt's gonna have too many points.
Actually, we're going to Final Jeopardy either way.
Yeah.
Unless, of course, you decide to wager all your points and get it wrong.
And
you're not going.
I'm gonna wager 1,000 and hope I do this.
1,000 points on the line here.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no.
E.
Meara?
This was Egypt.
I hate this.
It is
Dang
Egypt.
It. Got it right. Well, I had no chance there. I had no chance.
Alright.
Oh my gosh.
And it looks like Meara gets to pick.
I do not know. Okay, I don't know how I just pulled in clutch there, but we did
because the eagle is Egypt. It's like
country flags 500.
Alright.
Matt?
South Africa. Yep. I need more points.
That was one that pulled me in clutch one game.
I need more points. Yes, I need more points after Meara just did that. Country flags 400. Alright.
Meara?
Dang.
My brain fart. The brain fart.
if you pass, then I get to answer. Just letting you know.
Pass.
Matt,
It's Thailand. It's
should really consider taking country flags out of these.
you really should.
Matt,
It's Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe.
all right, we are going to Final Jeopardy now.
Ooh.
So we're gonna pause the recording, but the live stream is gonna keep going. Oh, Sawyer is on the stream now.
Yeah.
How much would you like to wager?
All of it.
You're gonna wager the house. All right. Your question is gonna be, what is the color if you mix the Smurfs and Big Bird? I'll be back and expecting.
What'd you say?
What is the color when you mix the Smurfs and Big Bird?
Oh, okay.
All right. I'll be back. After the category is gonna be cartoon characters.
Oh no.
How much would you like to wager?
Are you gonna tell me the question?
How much would you like to wager?
Okay. Wait. How many points do I have?
You have 59 points.
Okay. I'm going to wager because I'm assuming Meara wagered a lot. Wait. How many points does Meara have?
37.
Okay. What's 59 subtract 37?
22.
Okay, I'm going to wager 22 points. Wait. No, I'm
22
wagering
points?
the amount that Meara has.
All right, you're gonna wager 37.
Yeah.
All right. So it is going. All right. So your question is, what if you mix Big Bird and the Smurfs? All right, Meara, do you have an answer?
Green. The color green.
All right, I'll send you back to your original room, or I'll send you back to the original room, and yeah, I'll go over to Matt's room.
I didn't hear the question.
All right, what is the answer to the question?
You didn't give me the question. You started laughing and then you left. You were like, what's Big Bird and what was the question? I just heard Big Bird.
because it's Big Bird. That's why it's funny.
No, what's the question?
All right, what is the color you get if you mix Big Bird and the Smurfs? You have 10 seconds.
What is the color you get if you Big Bird and the Smurfs?
3, 2, 1. Do you have an answer?
Oh, it's green. 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 Green.
Right, we'll go back to our main rooms.
Okay. Did you get my answer? Oh my. The question.
All right, so
It's kind of funny.
Okay.
Well, my answer, Meara, you wanted. My answer was green.
Okay.
you can't exchange answers.
Well, because it's over basically. Whatever this is.
I can't hear anything. All right, so Meara wagered the house, and she got it right. And
I wagered the amount that Meara had. Remember?
you wagered 22 points, right?
No, I wagered the amount of points that Meara had.
So Matt, he wagered 22 points.
Okay, whatever.
And I will share my screen, and I will show both of you the scores.
Well, did I get it wrong?
No.
It was green? Okay, good.
Yeah.
I said it last second, too. Because you know what Brody told me with the question? He said, what happens when you mix Big Bird in the Smurfs?
Wow.
Not and the Smurfs. So I was like, what? This doesn't make any sense. And then I thought about it, and then I just said green.
Mhm.
Well,
Good game.
And
Yeah,
so
great game.
Matt wins 81-74.
That was a close game, Meara.
Mm-hmm.
Good job. Hopefully you win your match and I versus you again. Alright. That was fun.
So Meara, it's probably gonna be like next Thursday or Wednesday or something. You are going to either play Jess or Addison.
Okay.
Matt, it's gonna be a bit
Undetermined.
to you play next, and it's gonna be either Addison, Jess, or Meara.
Oh gosh.
So thank you all so much for watching this match, and I will see you.
Brody, did you ever unpause the recording?
Yeah. So I will see you